This is our 2018 Range Rover Velar R-Dynamic D180, and it's in the absolute best colour combination, triple black. Black on black on black, and it looks fantastic, folks. It's a one owner car. Actually a local chap that lives around the corner from my house, who I've known for some years, and I regularly buy his cars from him. This is his wife's car, and they ordered it brand new from Farnell's Land Rover in Leeds. Picked it up from there, and have only done just over, I think, 7,500 miles. So pretty much nothing, considering it's just turned 2 years old. So there's a year's warranty left with Land Rover, because of course you've got the 3-year warranty breakdown assistance. There's no MOT, of course, it's under 3 years old. And we've just had its first service done, and it's been recorded. It's been done in our workshop, but Land Rover certified, has been recorded on their systems. So when you go for a digital service printout, it's showing on there as serviced. So that was done yesterday, and it's just been prepped and detailed today. And it looks absolutely fantastic. Definitely the sleekest Range Rover you can buy on the market today is the Velar. And with these options, it's got a fantastic specification. It's got the 22-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, which properly fill the arches, 265/40/22s. They're the Continental cross-contact LX Sport, which are great all-season tyres. You see there the M&S logo, which means for mud and snow as well. So yeah, really, really good all year round, and great when it's snowing or any other sort of weather that potentially a normal summer tyre would struggle in. Land Rover now fit all-season tyres to all their cars as standard. They've got plenty of tread, probably good 6 mil still, because you know it's only done 7,000 miles, so you should get another 12,000 miles out of them, maybe more, depends how you drive. Literally once for nothing, this car. Bodywork's immaculate. I think there's one ding on the whole bodywork that I've seen. That's it. It's got the privacy glass, it's got the black pack, got the aerodynamic pack, which gives you the configurable driving modes. So the black pack gives you that gloss black grille, the lettering, lower grills, everything in black. The bonnet grills, side grills, the aerodynamic logo there. Really is stunning condition. You can see my valeter Daniel has polished it up to a mirror finish. You've got LED lights front and back. You've got the power tailgate on this as well. I did mention there was a ding, and it's right at the bottom of the passenger door here. Just there. That's the only mark on the whole car. Other than that, it's perfect. No damage on the wheels. And no other scratches or damage on the bodywork. So, let's have a look on the inside, now that I've shown you the outside. So boot, automatic, of course. You've still got the blue plastic film on the brushed stainless steel entry plates there. Got the 12-volt socket and these hooks to hang bags on. The load space covers correctly where it should be. And then underneath here you've got wheel jack and brace, etc. No spare wheel, of course, because that's a factory option. Not specified on this particular car. Who needs a spare wheel these days? If you broke down, you'd just call your breakdown service anyway, wouldn't you? Great feature on the Velar is, of course, the pop-out door handles, and this car is keyless entry, exit and start, so you don't actually need to press anything on the key. As long as the key's in your pocket and you press that, they'll pop out. And the same when you're locking, you don't actually need to use the key at all, which is great when you've got a family and your hands are full and you can't put your hand all around your bag looking for your key or in your pocket, you just need to open the door, especially if it's raining or any other adverse weather that we have in the UK. But it's lovely brushed stainless steel, brushed aluminium I should say, finish on the trim, then the gloss black and the chrome, and this lovely textured sort of leather effect finish. Really nice materials, and then the white stitching there. You've got the power recline for the rear seats on both sides, and again that lovely white stitching all over. Of course, you've got the essential panoramic roof, which has currently got the blind closed. Configurable ambient lighting, so you can choose different colours for the lighting. A 12-volt socket there as well. And if we move on to the driver's side and passenger side, so we've got, of course, memory seats, electric windows and mirrors, and of course we've got the Meridian sound system on this specification. Lovely dynamic sill plates there, the Velar branded mats. You've got your handbrake there, remote tailgate release, and your dash brightness switch. Electric seats just here, and then of course you've got these lovely Alcantara and leather seats, and then the switches on the multi-function steering wheel that will light up when you turn the car on, so you know what they can do. Fantastic stuff. Start button there, and then the screen that pops out and tilts forward. I'll go around the passenger side as well so you can see. So near side or passenger side, again the back all the same as per the other side, the electric seats, etc. And then again passenger side here, you've got the same aerodynamic sill plate, lovely gloss black finish there on the dash insert to match the center console, and then the Alcantara and black leather with white stitching seats. Again the double speakers for the Meridian, and the different textured finishes on the door, which is really nice. So let's start it up and I'll show you some of the other features on the inside. Obviously on the headlights you've got the LED daytime running lights as well as the LED main lights. No damage there to the screen. So if we start it up, so the pan roof blind starts opening, the tilt screen comes forward, pan roof is there, and that's a opening pan roof, okay, not a fixed pan roof, which is what you want the one that opens. And then in the twin armrests you've got HDMI, micro SIM, 12-volt USB, etc. You've got your cup holders here, an additional cup holder there. You've got your automatic climate control here. I'll just close this door so it stops beeping. Climate control here, dual zone of course, for both sides. And then for your seats you can just touch that for your seats, or you can do it via the climate control screen, such like that. And then here you've got a quick shortcut, if you will, to your DAB radio and phone. Climate control here, which obviously you can change. Vehicle settings, so you can have dynamic, which obviously lowers the air suspension and puts it in a more sportier driving tone. And then obviously all the various other driving modes such as comfort, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts and sand. Probably won't use that much here. And then that's your our dynamic mode. Okay, so that changes that screen. That was an option. So you can then configure your engine, gear shift, steering, suspension, etc. By pressing the race helmet. And then that is your all-terrain sort of off-road setting for the car. And then obviously you've got more settings here that you can play with. Your main screen, you've got your home, which you can flick through the menus, customize the page, cameras. This has got the parking packs, it's got the reverse camera, as well as the all-round sensors. In control apps, you can control the car from the app on your phone if you download it. Web browser, Bluetooth of course, ambient lighting, the dynamic mode that I showed you just previously. And of course you've got navigation with speed camera warnings and all the sorts of things you'd expect. So yeah, really good navigation system compared to the old Land Rovers. You've got a lovely frameless rear view mirror there. And of course, like I said, the pan roof and the blind here. And then you can see these buttons light up then. So you've got the voice control, phone, that's your favorite button that you can configure to whatever you want. Menu button there, and then your cruise control, lane assist, speed limiter, and of course the flappy pedals there. And then your lights are there. Obviously you can leave those on auto. You've also got auto high beam, and then auto wipers there as well. Obviously fantastic sound with the Meridian sound system. And that is pretty much it, ladies and gents. That's our 2018 Range Rover Velar R Dynamic D180. Comes with warranty, like I say, another year's just been serviced, excellent tyres, so literally there's nothing to spend on this car. You can take it with complete confidence, and we can offer you nationwide delivery to your door wherever you are in the country, indeed the world. We deliver cars across the world, may I add. And the car can come to you either driven, which is £1 a mile, can come to you on an enclosed trailer, which is £2 a mile, or on an open trailer, which is £1.50 a mile. I recommend at least going for an open trailer so it arrives to you nice and clean as it has left us. Priced very competitively. I've priced it below the current market retail, so I've had a lot of inquiries already, and I've only put up some quick pictures. If you want to register your interest, you can do so, and if you want to pay a deposit, that will reserve the car for you, and we will not take any further calls till you've purchased it. Give me a call or drop me a message if you've got any questions or would like any sort of finance options, whether it be a hire purchase, lease purchase, or a personal contract plan, and I'm more than happy to quote you and do the very best finance package we can. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.